Do you want to reply automatically and send direct messages to the profile on Instagram automatically? Then it can be done using an automation software. The software name is Super Profile, and in this video I will show you step by step information how you can add automation to your Instagram account. So first of all, you need to open this superprofile.bio. After that, you need to sign up or sign in. I have already created an account, so I will just click on sign in. So this is the dashboard of my super profile, wherein I need to click on my Instagram app here. In my, I have already added my Instagram profile here, and you can see I have already created automation for this reel. Okay, I will just show you in edit. You can see I have added my keyword AI here, and I have added messages as well. It will automatically reply my messages. I will do it fresh. Now I will click on create automation here at the top right hand side, and comment on your post or reels. You just need to select this option. In your free account you will get 3 keywords, so click on this. So I have connected my this AI digital marketing account here. So you can select any of your profile like this, and you can select your reel or your post. Select, I have selected this one. Let me select this. Click on next. You can choose any of one of them with specific keyword or any comment. So I will select specific keyword. I will write here any keyword like auto, and I need to scroll down. Would you like to reply comment as well? If you click this, you will get the option like this. You can change this. You can write here if you want anything you want, or you can keep it as it is, and you can click on next. Make sure to click here add option. So you can see auto is added. Now click on next, and you need to scroll down here, and you can see it will ask you to follow you. You need to unlock this. You need to get their paid subscription for this, and after that you can simply write your messages here. Any messages you want to send them, just click on next, and you can also paste your links here if you want to give them any link. There's an option to add links as well. You can click on add text button here. You can add a link or other information here, and after that you just click on next, and you are done. Click on confirm a launch, and now you are done. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. I hope friends now you will be able to automate your Instagram account with this software. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.